everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some major news in the automotive and political world. Presidential candidate Donald Trump has announced a plan that could have a huge impact on the cars you buy, especially if you're looking to save some money. Trump is proposing a new tax break for American car buyers, but there's a catch. The tax break will only apply to cars, trucks, and SUVs built in the United States. That means if you're buying a car made in Europe or Asia, you won't be eligible for this financial benefit. Even popular models like the BMW 3 Series could be excluded if they aren't built here in America. So how does the tax break work? Under Trump's plan, buyers would be able to deduct the interest on their car loans from their federal taxes. The goal here is not just to make it easier for Americans to finance a vehicle, but to boost domestic car production by encouraging people to buy cars made in the U.S. Now, while this plan would exclude foreign-made cars, it's important to note that some foreign automakers do have factories in the U.S., and those models will likely qualify for the tax break. So, cars from companies like Toyota, Honda, and even BMW, as long as they're built in the U.S., could be eligible for these tax incentives. During a rally in North Carolina, Trump made it clear that he wants this tax break to benefit America first, saying, "Why would we give tax breaks to cars made in places like China or Japan, where we've lost business over the years?" This shows his commitment to boosting US-based manufacturing and keeping jobs and money at home. But that's not all. Trump has also mentioned his plan to impose higher tariffs on cars imported from China and Mexico. It's part of his broader strategy to promote locally built cars and bring more car production back to Detroit and other U.S. manufacturing hubs. It's a bold move aimed at reshaping the auto industry, and we'll have to wait and see how this plays out. Would this tax break make you more likely to buy a car built in the U.S.? Let us know in the comments. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest automotive news and policies that could affect your next car purchase. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.